In my teenage years, I started getting really into food television. I love Top Chef. Like, I started watching Top Chef with my mom, and we would then go to the Top Chef contestants' restaurants, and I learned how these chefs were telling a story on their plate. It was something that started for me, I saw on a screen, and then it's a real life experience, which is then a memory that I have forever. And now I'm kind of in a position where I'm taking something that people see on their screen, but when they then take it into their own kitchen, that's when it becomes a memory. That's when it becomes a story. I think I always knew I wanted to work with food in some capacity. But at the time, you're on this streamlined program to be an actor, and I thought that was my only option in this industry. There is such a pressure to choose. You have to be a certain type or choose this career, and that's it. And if you're not hustling and going 100%, well then people think you've left the business or you've quit or given up. But there's a lot of things that make up who I am and a lot of different things that are important to me, which is exactly why I created my own outlet where I fused everything that I wanted to do into my cooking show, because that has been by far the most fulfilling and rewarding experience. It's opened me up as a person because I have a confidence in who I am, and I'm not pretending to be anyone I'm not. Being more open about that makes me more receptive to people. I think people are more open to me simply because I feel fulfilled on the inside, which gives me a confidence on the outside. The thing about food is that everybody eats. That is something universal that every culture, every human being has in common. So if you have something to say and you're able to say it through your plate, I think that's something that people feel when they eat the food. My plate of food and the way I cook, I want it to feel nourishing in every sense. I want it to be nourishing for your soul and nourishing for your community and the people you're sharing it with. And it doesn't matter how many times someone says, oh, I made this, like, I made your recipe. Like, each and every time, it genuinely means so much to me. No matter who it is, no matter when it happens. That's why I want to do it, because it's taking the step past watching the video, but taking action, and people are taking action because I made something, and that's like the coolest thing ever. Go for it. Like, don't wait. There is no perfect time. There's absolutely no such thing. You're never gonna feel ready. You're not gonna feel prepared. You're gonna make lots of mistakes. There's gonna be challenges, bumps in the road. But it will be the most rewarding thing you've ever done, to follow your passion.